Yesterday we talked about planets, stars, continents and oceans. Are you clear? Then environment or atmosphere also we study. What is an atmosphere? Yes, an invisible layer of air, dust and drops of water. They all are surrounded on earth. That is an atmosphere. Yes, and which one give life possible on earth? Air, water and heat and light. Okay, then now today we study the shape of the earth. Today we study about the shape of the earth. The shape of the earth is round in shape. But in ancient times, some of them believe that it is flat. Earth is flat. Then some of them believe that earth is square in shape. Say, some of them believe that earth is square in shape. Then, if they traveled in one direction for a long time, they will fall off. Here, I show you an image. Look at this image. An imaginary drawing showing ships falling off the edge of an earth. Here it is square in shape, an imaginary thing, an imaginary drawing showing ships. Can you look at these ships? Okay, these ships falling off the edge of the earth. They only imagine that. It is not happening, but in ancient times they believed that earth was round, earth was flat and earth was square, and some of them believed that and they fall off, and they say that an imaginary drawing showing the ships falling off the edge of a flat earth, and you also have that doubt, are you? Then it was only people started traveling further and further across the seas or water, across the oceans, and they reached a new island. They realized that, and then they realized that earth was round and not flat. Yes, only when people started traveling further and further across the seas in search of to find out a new land, that then they realized that the earth was round and not flat. Now you understood that what is the shape of the earth? Earth was round. Very good. Earth was round like an orange or ball. Okay. Yes. Then pictures of the earth taken from above the earth prove that earth is actually shaped like an orange. What is the shape of an orange? What is the speciality of orange? Flat? Yes. Okay. Actually shaped like an orange rather than a sphere. Sphere means a round or circle. Okay. Then slightly flat at the top and bottom and bulges at the center. That is the shape of the earth. Then are you clear? A ball is round in shape, but an orange is flat at the top and bottom and bulges at the center. You imagine in your mind an orange and a ball. In your mind, both of them came? Very good. Yes. So, to study the earth features very clearly, we use maps and globe. Here you can see the different pictures of a globe is a model of the earth. Look at here. It is a picture of a globe. What is the globe? It is the model of the earth. Here you can see, here is a globe is a model of the earth. Then it represents all the countries. Here we can look, here we can rotate it and can see all the places here. And a book of map is called a atlas. Globe and atlas. Book of map, that is atlas. Book of map is called a atlas. And here look at the picture. In a map, this is a map of city of Delhi. Look at your book. A map can show many small details unlike a globe. Are you clear? A map can show very clearly all the details unlike a globe. That is the differences between a map and a globe. A book of map is called an atlas. So, globe, atlas and map, you can clearly study the features of the earth. In this, globe is the true representation of the earth. Okay? Globe is the true representation of the earth and atlas is a book of map. It shows the major cities like continents, oceans, etc. Directions and maps. There are 4 main directions. They are east, west, south and north. East, west, south and north. Okay. Where is the sun rises? Okay. Sun rises in the, yes, sun rises in the east. Okay. Sun rises in the east. Okay. Then do you know where the sun sets? Okay, yes, west, very good. Sun sets in the west. Sun sets in the west. Today we study about the 4 directions: east, west, south and north. Okay, which are, yes, east, west, south and north. Okay, then sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. Okay, how can you identify the 4 directions? Okay, I will say an example. If we stand facing the rising sun like this, okay, if you stand facing the rising sun like this, then your front side is the east. Okay, your behind is the west. Okay, east, west. Then your left side was north and your right side was south. Okay, your left side was north and your right side was south. Are you clear? When you face the rising sun like this, your front should be east and behind should be west. Then your left hand should be north and your right hand should be south. So, are you clear about the directions? east, west, north and south. If we stand facing the rising sun, our left hand lies the north direction and your right hand lies the south direction. You already know that sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. Then you can easily understood the four directions. Are you clear? But the left of the map shows the west and while the right shows the east. But in a map, there are some differences. In a map, you look at the map. On the map, the top shows the north. In a map, top shows the north and bottom shows the south. And how can you identify the directions? On facing the rising sun, your front should be east, behind west, and the left side should be north and right side should be south. Okay, on a map, top shows the north. Okay, on a map, top shows the north and bottom shows the south. Then your left show the west and your right show east. Your left show the west and your right shows the east. Okay.